Installing SP Page Builder is exactly the same as any other Joomla extension. You'll need the extension and then you install it. You will need to register at joomshaper.com even for the free version. Once you're registered, you'll go to your dashboard, click on Downloads, and SP Page Builder will be here. Again, I've got the Pro version, and it's as simple as clicking Download. And there we go. Installing it on your site, again, as simple as any other extension. Extensions, manage, install, and you'll upload it here. And it's that simple. Trusted by 400,000 plus people worldwide, SP Page Builder is an extremely powerful drag and drop design system, and it really is. That's all you need to do. Once you've done that, you'll see a brand new menu item up here in the administration menu called SP Page Builder. And if you go ahead and click on Pages, you can insert your license and update information. If you're using the Pro version, you'll need to do that. Incidentally, any sections that you try and add from templates won't work until you actually enter this license information. Well, this is the main SP Page Builder screen. You've got pages, categories, integrations, languages, about, and media. You can add categories, and it uses the Joomla category system. Really simple to do if you've ever built a Joomla site before. If you're building a small site, well, categories really aren't that important. If I click on Pages, it takes me back to the more fancy SP Page Builder layout. Integrations is really cool because you can use SP Page Builder in Joomla Articles, K2, and even the SP Simple Portfolio. To use it, you just click Install and Enable, and now SP Page Builder works right inside your articles. Of course, it supports multiple languages, and it has this fantastic new Media Manager where it's really simple to use, and I have a nice little thumbnail for the image that I can use anywhere inside of SP Page Builder or even in my articles. Now, I will say that the folder structure here is actually going to be under 2019, the month, and the day that the image was uploaded, just so you know that that's where they are. It does support using the regular system as well. Of course, this is the normal Media Manager folder structure for Joomla websites. Well, that's all there is to installing it. If we look at the options, production mode will compile and output the CSS into one single file. Once you're done building your pages, this is a good thing to do. The Google Map API key, of course, if you're going to use Google Maps, you can do that. SP Page Builder does support OpenStreetMap, so you're not tied to Google Map specifically now that it costs money to use. Font Awesome. If your site isn't already using Font Awesome, you can load it here. Disable Animate CSS, Default CSS, Open Graph Settings. You can leave those, generally speaking, at the defaults. If you're going to use the Facebook app, you can put your app ID in there and disable a Twitter card. Of course, disables Twitter cards. And of course, SP Page Builder uses the built-in Joomla permission system. So we're ready to go.